Hi, it's Kelly from the County Brant Public Library, back with our number 4 craft projects to go. Today we're doing Advent envelopes. Now with all the paper bags that are out there now, this is a good way to use them up. It's an inexpensive project other than what you put in them. So we're going to do little envelopes, super cute. And with Christmas paper, you can do Christmas paper. The only thing about the Christmas paper I found is that they're almost too heavy. They're thick, but they're almost too heavy to hang on a line. So I actually preferred just the paper bags. So paper bags, relatively easy. This is a new one. But to cut them, just fold the bottom over, and then you're just going to cut it. Okay, you're just going to cut the bottom off. Even if you have one that you had groceries in, it's still good to go, okay? So then you're going to open it up and flatten it up, and you're going to measure 5-inch squares. So you should be able to get 2, 4, 6 out of a large bag. The bags that we're going to give you should be able to get 6, okay? So cut them up. I cut them all up before I start putting them together. I try to do one at a time. Not so easy. It's a little bit tedious. It takes a little longer than you think. So I've got all my little squares cut up. They're easy to assemble. So in your kit, you're going to get paper bags, you're going to get the stickers, you're going to get some cute little clothes pegs to hang them up, you're going to get some string, you're going to get a few sheets of Christmas paper. Personally, I would just use them for decorations more than the envelopes themselves, because as I said, they are a little bit heavier than the other ones. So you're going to just make, and you're going to also get a sample. I'm going to put a sample envelope in your bags, just so that you can kind of measure what they should look like. Okay? So get your handy dandy glue, which will come in your kit as well. So you're just going to put a little along the bottom. You're going to fold this to the middle, and glue sticks better to glue. Don't ask me why, but that's just the way it is. So you're going to put a glue stick along there, and also along where you're going to fold it in for the crease. Okay? Fold it up. And just flatten it out a little bit. Okay? And I do it right to the top. Makes it easier. So then you're going to do a little fold along the bottom. Just enough. Just a little one. Put some nice glue in there. I always like to pre-crease mine before I put the glue in. And if you have a ruler handy, it always comes in handy just to flatten it out. And with the ruler, that's where you're going to make your little indent of your flat. Okay? So that they're all the same. It doesn't matter what the size of the ruler is. Now originally I was going to have my flat folding in, like that. And then I think I like it better folded back. So easy to do. I'm going to show you again. Glue along the bottom, fold it to the center, do a nice crease. If you have your ruler handy, you can even use the ruler to crease it. Glue sticks better to glue. Never figured that one out, but it works much better. Okay? And then put a nice little fold along the bottom. Do them all. Do all 24 of them. Let them sit. And then start decorating. That's the fun part. So aren't they cute? So I just added ribbon to them. You're going to get a set of stickers. So you're going to have to cut out all your stickers however you want. You can do them round, you can do them square. Just a word of warning, if you use your stickers to close your flat, which is not a bad idea, it's a one-time use only. Okay? So just keep that in mind. So with your little bags, you can add some little pieces of cardboard, or little pieces of cardstock, Christmas paper. So have fun decorating. They're fun to do. And it'll be fun actually to fill them up. So to hang them, you have a couple choices. It's going to be your choice, not mine. You're going to have lovely little clothespins to hang them. I'm gonna add a stick to your kit, so you can hang them in strips. I didn't do them all. Or you can hang them like a clothesline on a wall. So have fun with it. Get your kids involved. Let them help you make the envelopes, and then you'll have fun filling them. See you soon. Bye for now.